and welcome back to the channel. It's that time of year. It's summertime and the fruit flies have started. We're starting to bring in our produce, and along with that comes the fruit flies. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick way to make a fruit fly trap. And you're going to be wondering, which kind of vinegar do you use? If you got both vinegars, apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, you're wondering which one to use. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you which one works best for the fruit flies. Y'all come on. Well, to do a fruit fly trap, the one you're going to be picking is your apple cider vinegar and a couple drops of Dawn. This right here has the mother in it, and the apple from the apple cider vinegar draws in the fruit flies. This one right here, they'll just go right by and never pay attention to it. For some reason, and if y'all know, comment down below, they like the apple cider vinegar better. So now let's make us a fruit fly trap. The first thing you'll need to do is decide what you want to put it in. You can use a solo cup. You can even use like little jars. I'm actually going to use this little jar today. And what you'll do is you're going to take your apple cider vinegar and we're going to fill it about half full. And make sure you shake it up before you put it in your little jar or whatever you're using. And then you're going to take your Dawn detergent or any kind of dish soap you have. And you're not going to want to put a lot in it. You're just wanting to put like 2 little drops, maybe 3. And what that does, that'll make the flies land on that. And the Dawn detergent will keep them in there and they'll drown and sink to the bottom. If you don't put the Dawn in there, they can get back out of the apple cider vinegar. But that Dawn helps trap them. So that's how you're wanting to do it. Now you just set this to wherever you're having trouble with the fruit flies. Check it every once in a while and you'll start to see your little flies in the bottom. In the summer, fruit flies can be a big pain, especially when you start bringing in your vegetables. And you don't want them all over your vegetables. So today's video showed you a quick little way to make a fruit fly trap. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video on making a fruit fly trap and figuring out which vinegar you do need to use to make your fruit fly trap. So now all we got to do is wait for them little boogers to get in there. If y'all like our video, don't forget to hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you hadn't already. And like always, thanks for watching.